In this video, we will learn how we can easily add a media, that is a video, in our already created image in Adobe Express. So here is our image. To add media, click media. Herein we wanted video, so I clicked on it. Now you can see you can use the following videos. I'll just click on any one of them. Let's say the following I'll click. I'll just add it here. I've added it. Okay, so let's say you want a video of this. So instead of an image, it will create a video. That is, let's say you want to add video here, you can easily add it. Later on you can download it and share it on social media. If you want to trim it, you can just pause it, okay, and you can just drag it just like we do on reels. That's it. Now only a video for less than 10 seconds will be visible. That's it. When you keep the cursor here, it will save. Okay, if you want to delete, right click and click delete. That's it. It will get deleted. Okay, now let's say you want to search a video. Learn, I'll press enter. Let's say what is visible for learn videos. Here it is visible. Instead of my image, we could have used the following image. I'll delete this. Let's say I'll just add it here. This is the premium one. You won't be able to download the entire for free. 50%. Now you can see it is visible. Here it is. It is playing, you can see. I'll set it to 25 and I'll just delete it. Right click. I'll be back with 10%, let's say, or 15%. So this was a paid one because the following is visible. If the following icon is visible, that means this is the paid one. Let's say I'll go for the free one. This is free. Let's say we want to show people that they can study like this. Okay, this is fine. Now I'll just click on it and we can directly download and share this on our social media also. Okay, I'll pause it. You can edit the timeline by clicking here, and you can, if you want, you can just walk around like reels and decrease the time. It's fine now. It's fine now. Play it and it will get played here. In this way, guys, you can easily add video to your images. Thank you for watching the video.